little greenhouse tour. So first we have the door, which we have to slide, and it's a little bit disheveled and it's held on by a rope, but it doesn't matter, we make do. And then once it's successfully slid open without falling on top of you, we're introduced to the greenhouse with this beautiful and overcrowded grape tree, which it won't be overcrowded because I'm going to cut off some of the leaves to make room for the little baby grapes to grow. Now to get in, because it's overcrowded at the moment, you kind of have to crawl in and make sure you don't get caught onto the vine. So once you're in, and I successfully got my sister, who hates bugs and hates going outside, to come in as well with me. We're here with the remaining seedlings that still haven't made it outside into the garden because they just need a little bit of extra warmth and shelter. So we'll start over here. These are the, well, I don't know what this is. This is a random plant that's just grown in this pot and we decided to keep it. But this is a sunflower plant. Let's get rid of the dead leaves. Okay, and we have more plant pots that covered with random things that my mum put in. So over here we have leeks, we have some more gherkins, we have some tomatoes, turnips, some spinach, and some more tomatoes over here that are growing very slowly compared to last year, and I do not know what to do, so maybe add more nutrients to them. We have a bunch of gherkins just growing all together because they decided, hey, we're just going to grow in one space instead of the massive pot that we were given. Here at the back we have a beautiful olive tree, which I heard olives takes decades for them to bear fruit, so it's just pretty and graceful in the back. Here we have the grapevine and more grapes, little baby grapes. So it has started to rain and it's very therapeutic when it rains outside and you're in here, and I can hear the thunder as well. And that's it, that's my little mini greenhouse tour.